Hey now, Drew 2 time. Today I want to talk about VA appraisals. I'm a veteran. I write lots of VA mortgages, but sometimes they have a bad rap because the appraisals are a sticking point. They require a couple extra things, and I'm actually working on 2 of those here today. So one of the things that VA appraisals will require, that's a little annoying, is trimming away the shrubs from the house. Yeah, they don't want trees or shrubberies touching the home and rubbing up against it. That's just what VA appraisals do not want. And the other thing that's a little different than other appraisals is chipping paint or wood rot, which is what we have here. So I'll be working on these 2 things today. And I've got my, electrical trimmer. It'll take me 10 seconds to trim away a bush. And there's some other bushes around this home too. And painting, all right, it gets a little annoying. But I can still make this property VA approval quickly with a little bit of work, as long as I know what to expect. These are the 2 things that most VA appraisals stick out over other loan types. Hope this makes sense. I'm going to get back to work. But if you appreciate this and other real estate stuff, continue to follow me here. I'm Andrew Postel. Thanks for watching today's Drew 2.